Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today what we are going to do is we are going to unbox a special item which I've just got it on a whim, which is called as a Eufy smart speaker. It's just like an Echo Dot they say, and it supports Alexa. So let's unbox this and let's test it out. Okay, so this is Eufy Genie. It's called as Eufy Genie, just like an Echo Dot. Actually, I took the knife out to unbox it. Let me just open my knife. I've already taken out the sticker which had the barcode in it. So let's see what are the items which are there in. And let's throw this aside. Is there any seal on it? No, there's no seal on it. So let's go ahead and close this knife and keep it aside. So this is called as a Eufy Genie, as you can see here clearly. And for field recognition, for voice control your smart home, and as well as for full room audio quality. You have apps in Google Play as well as uh, in iOS. Like it's just like it has Alexa built in, as you can see here, integrated with Alexa, and it controls your lights, play a song, and other home products, whichever is there, it can control them. So let's go ahead and open this and see what is inside the box. Okay, the packaging is good actually. Health, lighting, power buttons, health, lighting, power buttons, robo volume, vacuum, sorry. It's for this. Okay, so let me take this out. Okay, there's a pamphlet inside this. Eufy Genie is there. And if I'm not wrong, they provide the charger also. So the box is no longer needed. I'll keep that aside. First we will open this. Yeah, there is a charger in it. Okay, it comes with this plug. I have no idea how I'm going to fix it. Okay, I'll be using a 3-pin for this to convert it to the normal Indian plug. And this is 5-watt 2A plug only. And it's micro USB like normal. So let's keep that aside. So please turn over for a list of things to try. Okay, so this is the Eufy Genie. There's an air cooling system over here for it to be cool. So let's keep it down. Like the list of things over here is mentioned. Like it says Alexa play some music for Amazon Prime Music. Show podcast, alarm timers, shop, question and answers, smart home, bedroom light to 30%, set house temperature to 70 degrees, thermostat. So everything can be controlled by this. Okay. So we'll keep this aside. There's an aux cable also where you can connect this to a bigger speaker. As you can see, there's an USB port over here and there is an aux port also. I'm taking this video a little bit slowly so that we can go ahead and check the features also in it. So let me check the pamphlet also, because next what we'll be doing is we'll be configuring this. It's very simple. At a glance, volume up, volume down, action button, microphone mute button, aux cable, micro USB port, down. Okay. Just then hold of 5 seconds to reset the Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so there would be a place where we can, yeah, Eufy Home, where we do have to go ahead and download the app. So let's start doing that. Okay, guys, so we'll be opening the Eufy Home app now and accept the request and everything, experience now, and it would be asking for the email address. It would be going ahead and asking for the email address and other details. So let's go ahead and update that. Okay, I've just gone ahead and signed up for that. So once you go ahead and install the app, you'll be able to see, like, it says welcome home. I've just put a username just as it, and start building your connected home by adding lights and everything. So that's been done. And in profile it says add device widget and everything, new dark mode and everything. So let's go to home, add device. So what do we have here? Okay, that's vacuums. We have you Genie. So we'll be selecting the Genie, power on Genie and wait. Okay, and how do I power this on? Okay, there must be somewhere written over here how to power on the Genie. Let me see. Okay, we do have to connect to the power supply. So let me just go quickly and connect this to the power supply outlet. There's no battery in it. That's my bad. Okay, as you can see, I've just gone ahead and connected this. And let's get back to the normal thing. I've connected this, and here also it shows the Eufy Genie is getting recorded. So let me see that. So next, you do have to give all the permission it has. Connect to your device. No device found. It is in the pairing mode only. Let me try connecting again. Location access. Let me try again. No device is found. How to reset? Press and hold on the action button.
Eufy Genie is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Eufy Home app.
So now, as you heard that, this is ready to go ahead and set up. So next, let me go behind. We have reset it. Eufy Genie, it shows over here. We'll add that device over here. Go to Wi-Fi settings. Okay, we are connected. Okay, that's Eufy Genie over here. We do have to connect to that.
You have successfully connected to Eufy Genie. Complete setup in the Eufy Home app.
So now we are supposed to go back to the Eufy Home app. So we are adding it. It's connecting to the network. So
Hello.
now
Your Eufy Genie is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Eufy Home app.
okay, that is irritating. So now I just have to put the password. Let me just put that and come back. As you can see, the device is getting set up over here, as well as on the mobile I'm setting up the
Your Eufy
Eufy.
Genie is connected to internet. Please log into your Amazon account in the Eufy Home app.
Okay, so as you can see, we do have to go ahead and log into the Amazon app. Okay, Eufy Genie. We'll just put it as a normal thing for now. Home Genie, we can change that later. So it is saying to sign in with Amazon. So let me just sign in and get back to you. Just on the mobile screen, while this is getting connected over here, you'll be able to wait and check. Like, I'm just signing into that.
Your Eufy Genie is ready.
So if you see now, I've just gone ahead and connected with the Alexa. Alexa, what is the time now?
Sorry, your Eufy Genie has lost connection to the internet. Please take a look at the help section in the Eufy Home app.
Okay, the best way to do anything about this is to just restart it, as I've just connected to it. So let's go ahead and do that. Alexa, what is the time? Okay, it's just starting. Wow.
Hello.
Hi, Alexa, what is the time?
It's 8:47 p.m.
Okay, it works. It does work. So let me just switch the camera. Hello. Okay, the Eufy Genie does work, but it's kind of slow. It's not as fast as Eco Dot or anything. It did take some time for me to set it up, but this is the only setup video you'll be able to find for this mostly. But we did set it up successfully in a fast-paced thing. We just had to power cycle it once, but it is useful. So let's go ahead and test it out for a few more days and let's see how it works out with the configuration of all the smart lights in my home and smart plugs, because you can add many smart lights and plugs to your home by using this. So I already added in my Alexa many of the smart lights in my home, so I just have to give the command to go ahead and switch on and switch off, and it would be working for that in my home. So, and if you, this was a long video, I totally do understand. But if you did like the video, please go ahead and like and share. And if you did like the mobile setup, also please go ahead and uh, check that section separately in case you have any doubts. You can leave a comment down, and I would be able to help you out. Until next time, this is Kamal, and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day there. Thank you. Bye bye.